Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you the next lesson in Music Theory in Practice Grade 1 for ABRSM test. Today we're going to learn about rest. Rest means you must rest. Rest means you have to relax. A rest means a symbol that you won't do anything with your instrument. You won't make a sound anymore. You stop for a certain amount of time. Together, we're gonna learn about, I think, 5 types of rest first. The first one, the highest rest, also called the semi-brief rest. Semi-brief rest often draw with a little dot right here, like this. Just keep coloring that. And a semi-brief rest lasts for 4 beats, like a semi-brief note. And then the next one we're gonna learn about the minimum. Minimum kind of look like the semi-brief, but semi-brief is pointing down, but in the minimum is pointing up. And the minimum rest also equal to a minimum note equal to 2 beats, which means 1, 2 half of the semi-brief rest. And remember, do not write two minimum rests next to each other. Instead of that, just write the semi-brief rest. And then the crotchet rest. The crotchet, which just look like a crotchet, but is a little bit harder to draw. To draw this one, you must know how to draw the C like this, bracket drawing like that, and the Z. And the Z. Just start drawing when you reach this level. You can see here's the Z, here's the Z, and here's the C. Keep drawing the crotchet rest because it is the hardest one to draw, but you have to know how to draw it because in the exam they require you to draw all of this rest. The next one is the quaver rest. Quaver and semi-quaver, they look a little bit the same. In the quaver, just point a little dot right here and then pull a line down. Just go to the side and point down. And like a tail, like right here. So this is tail, and in the semi-quaver, the tail look like this. So we have two dots and 2 lines add together, and we will create a semi-quaver. In the music, if you see a rest, any kind of rest, if you see a quaver rest, you must stop for half of a beat, or you see a crotchet, you must stop for 1 beat. And then one more thing you must remember. Point out that this one, the semi-brief rest can use to make the whole bar silent. Can make a whole bar silence. Not just in 4/4, like 4 beat, but also in 3/4 and 2/4. So not just in 4/4, beat 4/4 times 3/4 but also in 3/4 and 2/4. Remember, if you have the time signature is 2/4 and you want to make that whole bar silent, do not use the medium, instead of that use the semi-brief, because it's the symbol to make that whole bar silent. If you want to make just like in the time value 6/8 or 6/4 you will learn in grade 2, you will continue doing 2 medium, not just 1 semi-brief. Semi-brief because it's represent for a rest for a whole bar. So today we have learned about 5 types of rests: semi-brief, medium, crotchet, quaver, and semi-quaver. As always, semi-brief is the top, the longest. Next to is medium, next to that is crotchet, and below it is quaver and semi-quaver, and semi-brief used to make a whole bar silent. So this is the end of my videos. If you like this video, please give a like, share, and subscribe.